Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to remove and add a new background in CapCut quick and easy. So whether you are editing your YouTube, your TikTok or Reels, this trick is going to let you replace your background with any image or video in just a few taps. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your CapCut application either on your phone or on your PC. Then you need to simply open a new project. Now over here, click on the option of import and you need to simply just import that particular video from which you want to remove the background. As you can see, this is the video from which I want to remove the background. So you will have to drag and drop it here in the timeline. Once this is done, simply select the video, then go to the option of remove BG here on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, select the option of auto removal. You can also select the option of Chrome key, and here if you just see, you can see the background of this particular video is now removed. You can also use the color picker option and it is going to basically remove the color of that particular area that you want to remove basically. Now since the background of this particular video is now removed successfully, we need to add a new background. So simply just import the new background which you want to place behind it. After that, you will have to basically just put this particular photograph or the video underneath the video that you have changed the background of. Afterwards, you will have to just make it big and it is going to look something like this. As you can see, we have successfully removed the background from the video and added a new background in it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.